Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
A lesson from a father. A moral story: money is not as important as character. After years of hard work, a rich man decided to retire. He distributed all his wealth amongst his 3 sons and left for a pilgrimage. A cunning rival of the rich man advised his sons to invest in a business and took all the money from them. He then ran away with the money and no one could find him. Disheartened, the sons left the town. When the rich man returned, his friends told him about what had happened. The man called his sons back home and told them, "Work hard and earn all the money back." Surprised, the eldest son said, "Father, we thought you would be angry at us." The father hugged his son and replied, "My son, if money is lost, it can be earned back. But if character is lost, everything is lost." I appreciate your honesty.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.